Hello everyone, I am back and in this recording I will give you the brief overview on MyMathLab. So to go to the MyMathLab, log in into your D2L, go to your course, and once you all set with registration for the MyMathLab or purchasing your access code, or if you want to start with the temporary access code, okay, once you all set with everything, the login information and the registration information is provided in the syllabus and also in the course information. So once you all set with MyMathLab registration, once you click over here, you can go inside the MyMathLab. And here you can see the homework and quizzes. Homework, quizzes and exams will be assigned here on MyMathLab. So once I click on homework, as of now you'll see entire chapter 6 homework have been assigned here. There are 7 sections and in each sections there are around 20 questions. So before you start with this section 6.1 homework, if you want to learn that section, you can use videos, and videos are provided here in the multimedia library. You just need to select the chapter, particular section you want to watch the video for, the section 6.1 and section video. So you objective wise you can see the videos for that particular section. And if you want to work along with those video worksheet, you can find in the video organizer and also provided on the D2L in the content. If you want to access the e-text, so here chapter content, chapter wise you can find the e-text over here. So click on that particular section and e-text, so you can find the section wise e-text. So if you want to review the definitions or steps to do the certain problems, if you want to review the guide solved examples, so you can access to the e-text over here. Oops, okay, let me go back in. And quizzes. So once you're done with all your homework for chapter 6, your first quiz on chapter 6 and exam on chapter 6 you can find over here. And as you see, I am providing the 2 attempts for quiz and exam. Quizzes for 75 minutes, exam for 150 minutes. Deadlines are over here. Do not consider the grade book of MyMathLab because I am transferring all your grades on D2L. So make sure for up-to-date grade you see the desire to learn grade book. Alright, so that's it. And if you have any question, you always feel free to email me. Alright.